Hi, I'm Heidi Thompson, General Manager of Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa, and on behalf of our entire team would like to congratulate Winnebago Industries on their 60th anniversary. Now we'd like to share with all of you what Winnebago means to all of us.
Hi everyone, Jason Brookoff here, RV Sales Manager at Lichtsinn RV, Forest City, Iowa. Just want to take a moment to share with you how our relationships with Lichtsinn RV and Winnebago Industries is an important part of our community. From a family standpoint, that relationship, I have two family members. My father, who has been at Winnebago for over 40 years, he is the building manager at Stitchcraft, and my grandmother worked for a number of years at the Capco facility at Winnebago as well. So not only family members but friends are an integral part of our relationship to what we provide to you, our guests here at Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, I'm Nicole Fullman, one of the sales consultants here at Lichtsinn RV. With my experience with Winnebago personally, I did work there for 2 summers during college. The first summer I worked in the Capco area, and the second summer I actually worked in the Stitchcraft area and learned how to make a lot of unique designed pillows. As far as my family, my mom has worked at Winnebago in the ship out area for 30 years now, and I also have a lot of friends that work on the line as well in the office.
Hi, I'm Nicole Blazer with Lichtsinn RV. I'm a sales consultant here, and Winnebago has been a part of our family for a long time. My father-in-law has been with the company for over 47 years. He's ranked #1 with the seniority and has been with Capco Fabrication now, and started in 1970. His wife is a programmer, and she's been with the company for over 30 years. Definitely Winnebago is a big part of our family.
Hi, I'm Hannah. I'm the sales manager here at Lichtsinn RV. Winnebago has played a major role in my life. I've had several of my grandparents actually retire from Winnebago. My dad worked there for over 30 years. I still have an uncle that works there and a cousin that works there. So at some point in time, Winnebago has been an employer for many people in my family. And of course, I deal with Winnebago on a daily basis. And so that's how Winnebago has impacted me.
Hi, I'm Reed Burkholder, RV Sales Consultant with Lichtsinn RV. Winnebago has impacted my life and my family's life. My dad was the general manager of the Winnebago Itasca Travelers Club. His wife was the general manager of him. But they met a lot of great people through the years. I've gotten to know a lot of people that are members of the Winnebago Itasca Travelers Club through them, and still maintain friendships with them to this day. I also spent a few summers working in the slide out, building slide outs in the assembly line in Big Bertha. But that is, a little bit on how Winnebago has impacted my family through the years.
Hi, my name is Abby and I'm an RV sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. I have a small relationship with Winnebago Industries. My grandmother currently is employed there in the finance department, and she's been at Winnebago for about 2 years. My fiance Nick was previously a security guard at Winnebago for 3 years. That's my relationship with Winnebago Industries.
Hi, I'm Luke, service tech at Lichtsinn RV. I worked at Winnebago for 6.5 years as a senior lead at the end, and that's kind of my ties with Winnebago.
Hi, my name's Kurt. I'm a parts specialist at Lichtsinn RV. I worked for Winnebago a couple different times over a few years. Met many people, have tons of friends that work there. Winnebago's been very good to them and their families. Thankful for them here.
Hi, my name is Travis Harms. I'm an RV service technician here at Lichtsinn RV. I previously worked at Winnebago Industries for approximately 10 years. I worked anywhere from a production worker to a reworker to as a lead person on line 2 in the motorhome plant. I've worked here at Lichtsinn RV for the past 1.5 years. My brother still works at Winnebago, my dad still works at Winnebago, and my wife also still works at Winnebago. So those are my ties to Winnebago Industries.
Hi, I'm Anders Bartelson and I'm a service consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. I started actually in the area at Winnebago Industries down the street, worked there for 12 years, most recently in quality control. My father currently works there, and I met my wife there as well. I guess that's how my relationship with Winnebago began.
Hi, I'm Brett Buffington. I worked at Winnebago Industries in the commercial vehicle division for about 1.5 or 2 years. That was a pretty neat experience, making those commercial vehicles and specialty units. And And then after that, I came here to Lichtsinn RV.
Hi, my name is Maggie Brewster, and I'm the marketing manager here at Lichtsinn RV. Previously, I worked at Winnebago for about 3.5 years in the marketing department. My father also worked at Winnebago. He retired about 1.5 years ago with 40 years of service. He was in quality. My husband and I actually own a Winnebago product too, so Winnebago's been a pretty integral part of our lives, and it still is in just a different capacity.
Hello, I'm Janelle Gilbertson, Warranty Administrator here at Lichtsinn RV. I worked at Winnebago Industries for 11 years in research and development, and today I enjoy getting to meet the guests and see how they've used those units and still using them yet today.
Hi, I'm Heather Garza, and I work here in the finish department at Lichtsinn RV. I've worked at CDI for 9 years.
Hi, my name is Nate Grummer. I work in the finishing department at Lichtsinn RV, and I worked at CDI for 1 year.
Hi, I'm Brett. I work at Lichtsinn RV as an RV technician. I worked at CDI for 10 years.
Hi, I'm Joshua. I'm the manager here in the finishing department at Lichtsinn RV. I worked at CDI for 5.5 years. CDI is the local paint company for Winnebago Industries, and that's where the 4 of us established our relationship with Winnebago.
Hi, I'm Rhonda, marketing specialist here at Lichtsinn RV. Winnebago Industries has always been a part of my life. My dad worked there for 44 years, my mom worked there for 30 years, and I myself worked there for 20 years. Winnebago has always been a part of my life and still is today.
I'm Mark Delzer. I'm a RV technician here at Littsins. I worked at Winnebago for roughly 10 years. Part of the time I worked in the electrical facility on line 1 for about 9 of the years. One other year I worked in quality control, and then I came here. My job at Winnebago was pretty similar to what I got here now. My father worked in the metal stamp division and chassis weld for over 40 years. Then he worked at customer service for about 6 before he retired, and learned a lot through Winnebago before I came working here, and sort of ties into what I do now.
Hi, I'm Stacy Anderson, a sales consultant here at Lichtsinn RV. My history with the company is that my husband and father-in-law both worked for Winnebago for multiple years in the accounting and security department, and I still have friends that are employed by that great company.
Hi, this is Brian Buffington, Service Director here at Lichtsinn RV. I have a strong relationship with Winnebago as I've worked there over 10.5 years, customer service as a service technician, owner relations, and production supervisor in the ship-out department. I still have a strong working relationship with a lot of people at Winnebago today. I've also had grandparents that have worked there over the years. My brothers worked there, and it's just been a really big part of all of our lives.
Like many of our guests, we here at Lichtsinn RV have a lot of choices that we can make in terms of the partners that we align ourselves with. And historically we've done business with Thor Motor Coach, we've done business with Forest River, and we've also aligned ourselves with General Motors. One of the things that we really appreciate is the partnership that we have from Winnebago and the people themselves that we do business with. The responsiveness, the fact that they always do what they say they're going to do, and we appreciate the fact that we have the highest quality products in some of the most creative markets that Winnebago has debuted in recent years. One of the things that we know that we're going to be in for with the long term with Winnebago Industries is their respect that they place towards compliance and the health of the long-term overall health of the RV industry. So Winnebago Industries, congratulations. We look forward to another 60 years of partnership with us here at Lichtsinn RV.